Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Nissan's 1997 to 2004 Frontier.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Remove the body mount bolt and bushing, then lift your truck's body. Cut off the factory front body mount. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Paint the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent the risk of rust formation. Step 3. Hold the mount up to the frame and align it using the factory parts silhouette. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part onto the frame prior to welding all edges fully. Finally, coat the part and work area with primer or other rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Lower the body and reinstall your bolt and bushing. Now, get back out on the road.